Hi guys, it's me. Hey look, I've got to look out for this because this is top secret information I'm going to give you here, and if people get hold of this stuff, I don't know what's going to happen about this. So let's go and have a look around, and I'll show you a few bits and pieces about my life. Now please keep this quiet because, as I said before, if this stuff gets out, I'm cactus. So let's go out to the kitchen and we'll have a look at the sort of diet that I'm on for inflammatory bowel disease that I suffered quite badly with, as you know from other videos. But yeah, I've just put down my computer and we'll actually have a look in the fridge. But please don't tell anybody, because everybody's going to be on my back then, and just lengthen this cord a little bit. Hang on a minute. Yeah, here we go. This is the big secret. Let's go and have a look in the fridge. Here we go. Oh, look, there's the fridge. What have we got? Oh, what's that? Chocolate mousse cake. That's a big no-no for anybody on a diet with regards to Crohn's. Wow. Ulcerative colitis people, would they be able to eat? What's this? Red currant jelly? I think not. Okay, well, here's one that's perhaps a little bit more Greek style natural yogurt. I think that might be one that you would be allowed to eat. What else is in there that I often... Ooh, what's this in here? Coconut balls, made by a friend of mine. Oh wow, let's see what else is here. What's this? Ooh, I remember those. Those were from last night. I mustn't tell you about those chocolate caramel slices. Oh, I just told you. Oh, that's the fridge. See? They're after me already. Oh my God, what's going to happen now? Gotta go. Bye.